JuicePay is conducting hiring challenge for the developers. They can able to get the internship opportunity as well as the prize money by applying for this challenge. Here they have given PPO offer worth 13 to 15 lakhs. This is the prize money they have given. You can able to see this JuicePay hiring challenge in Dare to Complete website. Here there will be a register button. Using this button, you can able to register for this challenge. It's free of cost. You can able to register without any paying money. The registration deadline is 25th June 2021, 11:59 p.m. The exam date will be like that means the hiring challenge date will be like 11th June 2021 to 14th July 2021. This is the date they have been given here. Here, this is the rounds they have been conducting for this round for this challenge. Nearly eligible participants after registering for will undergo the first round will be like there will be like online coding challenge where they will be tested on basic coding skills. Based on their performance, they will be selected for the round two. The date given for round one is between 26th June to 26th June. That means morning 10 a.m. to night 10 p.m. This is the timing they have given. Here, you while registering for this challenge, you want to give some basic information. Before that, if you don't have account in Dare to Complete, you should create a new account in this Dare to Complete. After that, you can able to register for this. Round two will be of 2 days hackathon. Participants shortlisted from first round will be taking the 2-day hackathon here, and details for this round will be shared only for the shortlisted students via the mail. Then they have given eligibility criteria here. The eligibility criteria is BTech or BE degrees final year in 2021 and 2022 pass outs across branches can apply for this, and people having 1 year experience too can apply for this. Skills required for this is functional programming, and they have given some rules here. The challenge is open to working professional with 1 year experience and 2021 and 2022 pass outs. Participating students can be from any specialized or domain. They have given like plagiarism. They will be following a plagiarism in code. So while writing the exam, write your own code instead of copying from others or copying from online. Build your own logic, then there will be a more chances of getting for the second round. And they have given here some of the important points. You can take assessment within 24 hours of opening window. You can take from morning 10 a.m. to night 10 p.m. Then they have given an important point. Evaluation criteria could include but not limited to the test score, time taken to complete the test, and the quality of your code, resume, etc. uh, they will be checking your resume and your quality of code, and they will be checking the complexity of time complexity of the code will be also be checked. So do your code in a more efficient way. Prices and rewards will be like shortlisted candidates from round 2 will be hired as an intern, and they will be giving a stipend of 40,000 per month for 6 months. If possible, can be extended to 8 to 12 months and will be converted to full-time employee. They will be giving the compensation for full-time offered candidates will be 13 to 15 lakhs per annum. So it will be a great work if you great offer if you selected from the second round, because they are giving 13 to 15 lakhs for the students selected from the round two. It will be a great opportunity to grab the offer, and they are giving some of the other items to one is a prize money worth, then they will be giving the participation certificate too for the people. If you have any queries, you can ask for support at dare2complete.com. If they are asking any money, you should contact this support at dare2complete.com, so they will be rectifying your problems. That's all. This is the basic details. You can register for this. Register before a deadline. All the best for your programming and for your preparation.